everyone, this is Tally from the Journey Museum and Learning Center. Today we're going to do a STEAM activity called the Walking Rainbow. So what is STEAM? STEAM is science, technology, engineering, art, and math. And it's kind of geared towards a younger age group. The Walking Rainbow is supposed to kind of imitate capillary action. What is capillary action, you ask? Capillary action is what plants, flowers, trees have to do with sucking out the nutrients and the water from the soil up into through their roots, up into their leaves so they can get the proper nutrients to grow. So what you're gonna need is some water, 6 mason jars, and some food coloring. So the experiment calls for red, yellow, and blue, the primary colors, because it's supposed to also imitate a rainbow. And in order to simulate a rainbow, you're gonna start with the 3 primary colors. So this video isn't gonna take too long, but you can also look it up on the web too. It's called Walking Rainbow. There's different versions of it, so this is the version I chose to do today. So I filled 3 of the mason jars full of water. Now I'm going to use food coloring and start adding the primary colors. So I'm going to do the blue. Oh, I forgot to get something to mix this up with. There's the blue. We're going to do the yellow. So just add 3 or 4 drops. I'm adding 4 of each color. And last but not least, red. So I got just a little. I'm gonna stir them up. Make sure you get all the water off that. Stir them up. And to me, this red looks a little not as bright as I want it to. So I'm just gonna add a few more drops just to get it bright, so we can see the results. So this is like a 24-hour experiment. We're doing the first phase today, and then tomorrow we will check on it to see how well it's going. So capillary action is when the water flows against gravity. All right, so we got our 3 primary colors here. Now we're gonna separate them, and we're gonna add empty mason jars to the mix. We're gonna put one in between each primary color. So here we go, looking all pretty. Then you're gonna need paper towels. So you need 6 of them, and you fold them. You can roll them into a tube too. So you're gonna put one end in the colored with the water and the other end in the empty jar. And you're just gonna go all the way around the little circle. And tomorrow, we will see what happens. So when you're doing this activity at home and you have some older children who know the scientific method, the 7 steps to the scientific method, you can kind of do this with them. You know, what's the big question is the first step. Second step is, what is the second step? Anyway, you're questioning. What's your big question? Oh, you can almost kind of see it right there. It's starting. Fun. You're gonna observe, and then you're gonna form your hypothesis. So what do you think is gonna happen to these paper towels? Research and then perform your hypothesis, and then do your observation and record your results. So you can do that with older kids. So this is the first step of the walking rainbow. You can kind of see with the red, it's starting a little bit. So stay tuned. Tomorrow, when we look and check in on this, it should be something different. Thanks.